Hey friends, I'm here at home in McKinney, Texas, and I just wanted to make a quick video to maybe give a little bit of inspiration on maybe starting your own little compost journey and maybe getting some awesome fruit or some sort of produce out of it, because that's what happened for me. I'm in my backyard here and I've got this awesome big melon patch basically in the corner of my yard going on. And this whole thing, I just started composting in the corner of my backyard. I was really wanting to have a dedicated compost area this year. I used to just throw all my peels and all my compost all over the yard, and my mom wasn't too happy about that, so I was just like, I'm just gonna toss it all in the corner here. And yeah, I really encourage people to do the same thing, because you can get really nice soil, you can start growing things, you can start using the composted soil to maybe pot plants or just grow whatever, use it for whatever purpose you want. And so I had this compost area for a few weeks before things actually started sprouting up, so I think that it's pretty decent soil under here. And I've got like probably at least 4 different varieties of melons growing here. I don't know exactly what any of them are, but this is my biggest one right now. I don't know what it is. And then yeah, there's just little bulbs popping up more and more in here, so that's pretty cool. And here in Texas, melons are just like the easiest thing to grow ever. They just sprout up so easy. You can sprout them in like a day. And so all these little, I still toss all my seeds and stuff pretty much everywhere in the backyard. So all these little plants here are melons that are going to be growing, and they're just like, we had some nice rain recently, so they've just kind of been sprouting up everywhere, under the trampoline. Yeah. So I think it's pretty cool, and I think it would be pretty cool if more people created just little compost areas and started tossing their seeds, and just by doing that, pretty much no work at all, and really actually putting your compost to good use, then things typically just start to sprout up and you've got food growing with no effort at all, pretty much. I come out here and sit down in my backyard and eat my melons and eat my fruit, and I just toss it in the corner here. Super simple, and I get rewarded for it. So just wanted to give a little inspiration for y'all to maybe do the same thing if you've got a little bit of area that you can do that with. Just a little space in the backyard to place all your compost. So that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk with you in the next video.